that back room I showed you in the last video. As you can see, it's pretty big. Can't see it in this video very well, but it's about as big. It's a little bit bigger than a refrigerator, tipped over on its side. So, just an update on the tunnel. The thing that I'm really proud of is this wall right here. It's all flat, and the corners are really, really neat. You can't see it. I can't over that, so go over there. It comes down. The corners are really square. And also that corner right there, you can kind of see it. I'm having a lot of trouble with lighting down here when I'm shooting cameras. Ow, I burned myself with wax. Yeah, having trouble with lighting. Alright, that's pretty much all I can really think of to say. So, thanks for watching my video, and subscribe so you can see more tunnel videos, because I am not anywhere close to being done. This tunnel is going to get really, really big, long, and stuff like that, you know?